Hello, I'm Gary Maurer, and I'm glad you came to our website to learn more about this newfangled product called Njekt. As you know, several decades ago, a very unique piece of equipment was introduced to the industry, and it changed the industry in so many very important ways because it was a piece of very targeted equipment that could do a very concentrated injection on a specific plant or maybe a group of plants. And it made doing your business so much easier in these very specific kinds of applications, and it was very profitable. Unfortunately, several years ago, this particular piece of equipment, the carrots, disappeared. And the industry has been looking for a replacement for a while now, and we are happy to report that in the fall of 2016, we introduced what we feel is not only a good replacement for the carrots, but offers some very superior advantages over that piece of equipment. And I'd like to just highlight a couple of those for you. First of all, our new Njekt has a much larger application potential, whereas the carrots could only inject up to 1/6 of an ounce. The Njekt can inject up to 10 ounces or up to 300 milliliters, 16 times the volume that the carrots could inject. That opens up a whole new area of application potential for you. So not only concentrated applications like paclobutazol or imidacloprid or any of those products, but now we can do other things. We can put in biology, we can add various kinds of soil amendments, we can do injections of fertilizer in small groups of plants. If your spray equipment is already to capacity with all the tanks have something in it and you want to do something different, but it's a small application, this is so much easier, faster, and more profitable than changing around spray hoses and whatever you have to do to make something else happen. This can happen easily, quickly, efficiently, and profitably. And maybe make you money where you otherwise would not have taken the time to try to make that money. So capacity is important. Expansion, you can start with a 1-gallon tank that comes with it. You can add a 4-gallon backpack, or you can use any other tank you like. As a matter of fact, you can put 2 5-gallon buckets on an express wagon and pull it around a property and make a lot of money that way. It's totally adjustable. The handles can adjust high or low, in or out, to get in hedges, and it has 3 different size needles, 3, 6, and 9 inches. So you can adapt to almost any kind of application situation, hills or slopes or in between hedges, whatever you need to do. The Njekt is perfectly happy to be modified to meet your application requirements. So, as you know, soil injection is a very important part of the plant healthcare scene now. And if you have any questions about the Njekt, how it can be used, how much money you can make, the variety of things that you can do with it, I'd be happy to take your personal phone call. And if you decide that the Njekt is right for you, we'll do everything in our power to make sure that you have made a very wise investment. Again, thank you for visiting our website. We look forward to serving you.